This next one is going to be about adding events to the events calendar here. So like this one, I know they're all canceled for now, but again, this is just a specialty post type. So it's, again, going to rely a lot on stuff that we have already covered. But again, it's just found in a particular spot. So on the dashboard, if you just come to this events tab, you can see whatever events have already been created. If you want to edit an event, just like with all the other stuff we've looked at, you just click on the title of it there, and you can see, everything that's been set up here. So, you can edit any of these text blocks. You can add some images if you want to. Here's the feature image. Feature image shows up on the main event page, and also once you click into the event. It's in both places. So to create a new event, we just come up here and we click Add New, and we're presented with a blank event. So we'll just call this one New Event, and date line 1 and date line 2. That's really just this and the time. We should probably relabel that, but yeah, date line 1 is the actual date, and then date line 2 is what we've been using for the time. So let's just say and then we'll come up with some text here. And for this, I've created a template, which makes it a little bit easier to get some stuff set up. Again, we're in this view where it's just a plain text field, so we want to come right up here and click on this backend editor. And we get this block layout format that we've been looking at in all of the videos. If you come right here to this is our templates button. It tells you that if you hover over it for a second. And then when you click that, up comes a list of various templates that I've created for use on the site. So we've got one for event. We're just going to go ahead and click that. And it just throws in these text blocks. It's already got this divided into 2 columns for us over here, so that you can just replace it with whatever it is that you want. So again, you just come right in here, you'd make your new headline. And so on. So let's just go ahead and pick a featured image. We'll use one from a previous event. We'll use this healthcare thing. And that's really, again, all there is to it. Obviously, you would want to update this text, but we can go ahead and publish this just so we can see what it looks like. Come over here, we'll refresh the page. And there it is. We've got our title, we've got our date, we've got our time, and if we click in to see event details, it's all here for us, whatever it is that we want to include. The size, preferred size for the banner that I've been using so that they all look the same, is 870 pixels wide by 320 pixels tall. I'll go ahead and include that in the documentation that's going with the site, but I thought I'd just say it here. Makes it a little easier. And that is all there is to it for adding an event. Thanks. I take it back here. There's one more thing for adding an event. So it's just going to put the newest one that you add at the top of the list, but obviously you're going to want these things to show in order of date. So just like with some of the other post types I've shown you, you can click and hold on these and drag them into the the order necessary so that they show from the one that's coming up next to the latest one. Okay, that really is it. Thanks.